Hi guys, my name is klebe and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. Sorry. I felt a little out of it, but I'm coming back. Fine, you know, I just need a little break. But so for this video, we're just gonna, hop right into it. So yeah, let's hop right into it. For this video, we are going to be reviewing the Colourpop Festival PR collection. I did not get this in PR. Unfortunately, Colourpop sent me PR. I bought this. So I put everything in a bag. I unboxed it all on my Snapchat last night. So if you don't have my Snapchat, it's Liz Klebe. I unboxed stuff. So yeah, I came with a makeup palette. So take everything out of the bag. And I put everything in here was a single shadow. I put all the single shadows in here last night. And the back is actually magnetic, which I thought that was really cool, because in my head I was like, all right, like I might like super glue these down, but it is magnetic and I think that's really cool. So Colourpop really did that. And we also got 3 lip glosses, which I will unbox and show y'all in a second. Came with a white mascara, and there is 5 pencil eyeliners. Well, mechanical pencil eyeliners. I don't know. But yeah. So obviously we are going to start off with eyes first, and unfortunately this palette did not come with a mirror, which annoyed me because, girl, I don't want to see this flower stuff. I want to see a mirror. I want to see me in here. So the first shade we are going to be going into is this light green shade right here, and putting it on my inner corner, my inner corner crease area. I'm really just packing it on in there. No, that's actually bright. Colourpop is like already snapping. Yes, girl. Okay, so the green is in my inner corners. I think it looks really pretty. I really like that like lime green moment. Now I'm gonna go into this orange shade right here and put it right next to the green. Okay, so I put the orange on. It looks a little wonky. I don't really know how to feel about it. I mean, it's pigmented, but I don't know how to feel about it, so yeah. Don't know how to feel. Don't know how to feel right now in this moment. Okay, so the orange is on. Hopefully it'll be fixed with the pink. I don't know. Very scared. Very scared. But now, we're gonna go into this pink shade right here. Okay, ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Living. It was fixed. Yay.
That's a real life. When you fuck me good, I take it. That's a real life. If you hit it right, I might take another flight on my chopper.
Ooh. Living. Living for this. I might have snapped right here. Cause look. I did these own colors. Like, Colourpop did that. I'm gonna go cut my crease really quick, and then we're gonna be back. Play with all these glitters! Woo! Okay, so now we're gonna go into the glitters. And the first one we are going to go into is this gold one right here. Is really intriguing me, so we're gonna go into that one. Girl, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed already. Okay, so the gold is on. I think it looks so pretty. Now We're gonna go into the orange, like right next to it, because that's also intriguing me. So we're gonna go into that orange.
It's collard greens, bitch. Oh yes, you best to believe it.
Swag. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I slay. Okay, ladies, now let's get information.
Okay, so there's the orange right next to it. I think it looks so bomb. Ooh, Colourpop, like, they went really hard with this. Oh, yes, the orange, yes. Now we're gonna go into the pink shade because it's also intriguing me.
I slay. I slay. I slay. I slay. I got hot sauce in my veins. Swag. I slay. I slay.
As I'm literally like packing them on, trying to blend the orange and the pink together, but I'm like packing these on, but I'm literally obsessed. Also, these are like, it's literally like straight glitter, so it's a little messier and a bit harder to work with, but I'll explain to y'all what I did in a minute. Okay, so I put on all the glitters that I wanted to use from this palette. I'm not done with my eyes, so don't worry. So what I did is I cut my crease, I didn't set it, and then I just tapped it with my finger and made it tacky, and then I just packed it with a brush. These are messy, they're harder to work with, but they are easy enough to work with. You just gotta give them a little patience. And they didn't have any fallout. There was no fallout from this, and I was actually scared that there was gonna be fallout. So, and also credits to Carly for teaching me the glitter eye trick, because if I didn't say that, she'd literally like blast. So, thanks, Carly. The purple. We're gonna put that on my outer corner and kind of like smoke it into the pink. With this eye look, I feel very Coachella ready. I really do. So for my lower lash line, we are going to be going into the purple and then maybe smoking out with the pink. I don't know. We're gonna see how I'm feeling.
Usually, I'm a little bit around you, but gravity seems to be the only thing that's pulling me. You'll be my rising shine soon as some stars align.
I'm living for this eye look. This might be one of my favorite eye looks that I've ever done. So I'm living for the glitters. I'm living for the color. I just feel so summery. I feel Coachella ready, even though I'm not going to Coachella. I just really like this eye look. I'm gonna go do some lashes and kind of finish up on my face, and then I'll be back to talk about the glasses, the eyeliner, and the white mascara. So, sit tight. Okay. Hi. So I put on lashes. I put on Lily Lashes Miami, and I put on a liquid lip. I used Jeffree Star. Can't relate. And now we're gonna get in the glosses. I just put on some highlight. So the gloss that I want to use for this look is in the shade NASA, which is this light one. So this is a gloss. I really like it. It's actually really pretty. And I'm not a gloss girl. So this is a really pretty gloss. Hello, English, are you there, girl? Yeah, I really like it. I think it's really, really pretty. Now we have two more glosses. Yes, girl. It's in the shade Feels Like Summer. I'll insert pictures of all the swatches. You're welcome. Okay, so the gloss in the middle is called Let It Happen, and the gloss on the right is called Feels Like Summer. And then this one is in the shade Let It Happen. These are gorgeous. I don't usually use these gloss colors, and I don't have these gloss colors, but I'm really excited to use them and expand my range of glosses. This gloss also leaves a cooling sensation, which I really like. And now we have the white mascara, which I'm confused. But hey, you never know when you could need a white mascara. And yeah, it is white. I'm not gonna swatch it or use it because I feel like that would look weird with this look, but I don't know. I might tell you my thoughts in a future video if I ever come across a need for it. And then we have the eyeliners. I will insert a picture of the swatches for these as well, but let's just open them, look at them. These are the eyeliners. They are super bright, neon, and fun. They are very good for festival going. But yeah, that's all I have. I love the look. I love the palette. I think that the palette was really, really nice. I think that the glitters went on really pretty. I think the mattes blended out amazing. And I think that everything was really good. I enjoyed everything in here. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I post videos sometimes on Fridays, if I'm being honest. Turn on my bell for notifications so you know exactly when I upload. Give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, tell me what you think and say hey, and follow on my social medias in the description below. And yeah, that's all I have. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.